Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today we're exploring the legendary BMW R80, a classic motorcycle that combines timeless design, reliability, and smooth touring performance. Engine and performance. The BMW R80 is powered by a 797 cubic centimeters air-cooled, two-cylinder boxer engine producing around 50 horsepower. Its smooth power delivery, comfortable cruising ability, and dependable performance made it a favorite among long-distance riders. Design and features. The R80 features BMW's iconic boxer engine layout, a comfortable upright riding position, shaft drive for low maintenance, and a durable frame. Its classic styling continues to attract vintage motorcycle enthusiasts around the world. Why riders love it? Riders appreciate the BMW R80 for its reliability, easy maintenance, comfortable ride, and timeless character. Whether used for touring or as a collectible classic, the R80 remains one of BMW's most respected motorcycles. Conclusion. Thanks for watching King Bike. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorcycle reviews and classic bike content.